In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Miro board with guests. Miro is an excellent tool for collaborative work, and sharing your board allows others to contribute or view your projects, whether they're colleagues, clients, or friends. Whether you're working on a group project or simply want some feedback on your latest creation, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to invite others with ease. First, let's head over to Miro's website. You'll need to go to miro.com, and once the page has loaded, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sign in page. At this point you can choose how you want to log in, either with your email or through your Google account. Go ahead and select the option that suits you best. If you're using the email method, simply enter your email address and click on continue with email. This will take you to your Miro dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Now locate the specific board you want to share. Next to your board's title, you'll see three little dots. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the list that appears, select Board Details. This section provides all the necessary information about your board, as well as sharing options. Once you are in the Board Details section, you'll see a Share button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Be sure to double check their email addresses to ensure that your invitations go to the right people. Now, it's important to decide what level of access you want your guests to have. You can select from Can Edit, Can Comment, or Can View. If you want them to actively collaborate, choose Can Edit. If you're looking for feedback only, Can Comment is a great option. And if you just want them to see the board but not interact with it, Can View will suffice. After you've set the permissions, simply click on Send Invitations. This will send an email to your guests containing a link they can follow to view or interact with your board, depending on the permissions you've granted. And just like that, you've shared your Miro board with your selected guests. Remember, effective collaboration is all about accessibility and clarity, so setting the right permissions is key. Make sure your colleagues or friends know how to use Miro if they're new to it, and encourage them to explore the board and add their insights if applicable. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy collaborating on your Miro boards, and I'll see you in the next video.